performance of the bird dog exercise. So to get set up, want your knees right under your hips, wrists right under your shoulders, and I don't want you to worry about trying to tuck the hips underneath you, but I also don't want the back wildly arched either. So just a relaxed low back position. You're going to reach both hands as far into the floor as you can. Like if there's something slightly out of your reach, you just try to reach a little bit further. So I'm reaching into the floor, I'm not hunching up like Quasimodo. So I'm going to reach along through the floor. Easy breath in through my nose, full, complete exhalation. Now when I breathe in, I'm going to elevate one heel. If that position is uncomfortable on the wrists, something else you can do is also elevate the elbows on a box, kind of like if you were doing a plank. The performance of the exercise would be the exact same. Now I just don't have my hands on the ground. One other thing just to be aware of while you're completing this exercise, while I will go into some slight lordosis as I extend my hip, it's going to be important that you don't lose the long reach. So a lot of people, when they kick this leg up, you're going to want to fully arch the back. It's going to be important that you stay reached long and only slightly extend at the low back versus losing the gentle roundness to the mid and upper back. That's the bird dog.